And right now, these trucks on the road in Longmont, spraying the entire city for mosquitoes as part of an emergency plan to prevent the spread of the West Nile virus. 7 News reporter Jaclyn Allen there live right now, talking to residents who say that spraying isn't safe, Jaclyn.
You know, just in the last hour, we've been following along these trucks as they're spraying these neighborhoods here in Longmont. It's the second round of spraying. The first was last week after a very high concentration of mosquitoes tested positive for West Nile. Spraying Longmont, 9 trucks misting pesticide on 380 miles of city streets to kill mosquitoes on contact.
I think it's an overreaction.
Longmont homeowner Melissa Rickson doesn't use pesticides on her garden and doesn't want the city spraying it either.
It's draconian. We used to do this in the 50s when I was young, and in Kansas, they would spread DDT down the streets.
But Boulder County Public Health says in the last 2 weeks, the number of mosquitoes testing positive for West Nile has shot up here. And while there is only 1 human case of West Nile so far this year in Colorado, they're trying to prevent the disease, not react to it.
It takes usually several weeks before somebody who's been infected to actually see symptoms of the disease. By that time, there's been a lot of people infected in a community if you wait to react to that.
Lane Drager, the Consumer Protection Coordinator, says the chemical used is a carcinogen, but only in certain doses. It's also used to treat lice and in household pest killers. He says the mist here is ultra low volume.
We have to look at all the risks, and the risk right now in our community for this disease is very apparent, whereas the risk of this pesticide is very minimal.
But opponents say they will be speaking in the Longmont City Council meeting tomorrow night about their concerns. Now, we know right now that there's more than a month left of mosquito season, and Boulder County Health says there are mosquitoes testing positive for West Nile across the county, but so far not to the level they've seen here in Longmont. Reporting live, Jaclyn Allen, 7 News.